Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, it has now gotten to that stage where the greed and avarice of these people, the cabal, the Mallam Buhari cabal, the greed and avarice of these people has gotten to the stage where they are now starting to cannibalize themselves. Guys, I bring you this. Aisha Buhari, PDP reacts to shooting in presidential villa, blasts the president. So now this is now where we are now. Shooting allegedly reported from the villa, the fighting between Saibu Yusuf, Maman Daura, Aisha Buhari, Issa Fantua, Aisha Buhari's AD camp, etc. So this is now escalated to the point that shooting allegedly is now taking place within the Aso Rock villa. So again, the headline: Aisha Buhari, PDP reacts to shooting in presidential villa, blasts the president. So now let's now find out exactly what is going on here. The People's Democratic Party PDP on Saturday reacted to the reported shooting at the presidential villa following a disagreement between the wife of the president, Aisha Buhari, and a presidential aide. PDP described the reported shooting as a major security breach within the precincts of the presidential villa. The opposition party expressed worry that the protracted spat between the First Lady Aisha Buhari and the aides of Buhari has now degenerated into violent combat, raids, and free use of firearms within the presidential villa. A statement by the spokesperson of the opposition party, Kola Ologbondinyo, described as distressing the reports that members of Buhari's family were at the scene of the assault against one of Buhari's aides, during which the First Lady's security details were alleged to have resorted to the use of firearms. The statement reads, "Our party is disturbed by such ugly situation in the Buhari presidency, which has already heightened apprehensions in the public space over the apparent failure of the security architecture and central command system in the presidency, leading to such reckless and irresponsible breaches. The chaotic situation in the presidential villa only points to the failure by President Buhari to provide leadership that can guarantee orderliness in governance and effectively ensure security of our nation." The party stated that Buhari's leadership failure at the highest level has exposed the reason why Nigeria is witnessing security and economic problems since the present administration came into power. More worrisome is that the Buhari presidency had failed to speak out on the frightening situation to reassure Nigerians and douse tension in the polity, especially at this critical time when our nation is facing serious security challenges. The former ruling party urged Buhari to take immediate steps to restore order in his presidency and shield our security system from the division and power tussle amongst persons close to him. So the fight for the dollars is effectively what we are seeing now. These people, of course, they know that Buhari is comatose and demented. So now it's just like an open season. Imagine, for instance, you are in some like a township known for criminality, and then the biggest bank in that township that is known as a town of criminals, the biggest bank in that town has the doors open and the bank vault opened, and the criminals that are surrounding that vicinity can see right through. Open door, open vault, and stacks of money. This is what is going on in Aso Rock now. Free for all, open goal. Just go in and take as much as you can now. Oh, this is opportunity. You can take more than their batter if you can. Just grab everything. And this is what is going on. So to the point now that they are now shooting in Aso Rock is really what I am trying to arrive at. So there's now shootings going on within Aso Rock because Aisha Buhari is trying to call caution on the excesses of these people, and these people will not be cautioned because they just want to gorge as much as they can, because they don't really know what fate will befall Buhari, because they are maintaining him day by day, Buhari. So now they're just trying to grab as much as they can effectively. Conversations in the comments section, they are now cannibalizing each other within the corridors of power. This is now the latest development within the Nigerian state. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. Bell button notify you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this development in the comment section. So I leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section over here. I say peace.